Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to my channel, The Daily DIYer. This video is very different from my traditional tutorial videos as it's more of an experience of me and 4 other DIY YouTubers trip to Waco, Texas and to Magnolia. We all stayed in this gorgeous Airbnb that was built in 1910, and I'll make sure to put information about it down in the description box below. It was beautiful and a wonderful place for us to all enjoy. But this video is just going to show you some of the Christmas things that we found on our day at Magnolia as we stayed the first weekend of November and had so much fun the entire time in our whole stay. Hey guys, it's Shannon, the Daily DIYer. I am here at the Magnolia Silos, and what better way to experience it than with your best DIY friends. Let me introduce you to these girls behind me.
Hi, Courtney from Creative on the Cheap. Jennifer from A Little Bit of Common Crazy.
Hey, it's Megan from Blue Buns and Roses.
Sara Jane from Chic on the Cheap.
All right, so we're gonna head off, do some exploring and some shopping. All right, we made it inside finally.
Good look. The shelf is open.
Yeah, we're checking prices. Very cute, gonna smell some candles, like for some Christmas. So this is all a look inside of Magnolia Market, and this was basically the entrance to Magnolia. So we did stand in a line for about 30 minutes, but it was a beautiful day. It wasn't too bad at all. And when we got into Magnolia Market, there wasn't too much Christmas to be seen, but there was so many beautiful things, and I enjoyed just looking at all of the details and how things were displayed and some of the new trends and some of the new items that they were releasing, and just how you could take some of the ideas that they had there and incorporate it into your own home. Within Magnolia Market, there were 2 sections, and once you walked into their back area, this is what you saw, and this is where we found their Christmas display. So you can see they had several different kinds of Christmas trees, wreaths, accessories, and lots of different Christmas ornaments. I had so much fun looking through all of their creative ornaments and actually chose one as one of our souvenirs so I could bring it home and put it on my own Christmas tree. After Magnolia Market, we headed over to Magnolia Press, which is a really cute little coffee shop that also had their home store attached to it. So that's where we headed after coffee. But this was a nice break for us. We all grabbed some coffee and rested and enjoyed the atmosphere. Actually got the 1905 coffee special on ice so we could just kind of relax and regroup before we headed off to do some more exploring. Magnolia Home was actually my very favorite part of the whole entire experience. You can see here it's just a big open home store with furniture and lots of different displays. That's what I enjoy most, is styling. So it was fun to see all of their big accessories and small accessories all joined together and how they had them set up. They also had the most amazing smelling candles. I believe it was called 12 days, and I'm pretty sure Jennifer purchased one because they just smelled so good. It made the whole store smell just like Christmas, but they had so many beautiful Christmas accessories in here. I just want to give you some close-up looks of what they had. Alright, so I feel like we didn't really get to end the video because we just were having so much fun. I just kind of showed you guys what cool stuff we found. We're actually at the airport right now. Jennifer is dropping me off to say goodbye, but what was your favorite part of Magnolia in the weekend?
I think just hanging out with you guys. Yeah, that was the best part.
I mean, obviously Magnolia is a wonderful place, amazing place, some of the coolest things. It's just so cute and quaint. Even though there was a lot of people, it still felt like a really good experience. But really, it was the girl time, it was the camaraderie and the chats and just making new friends and experiences together. So we had so much fun. I'm glad you guys watched this video and came and joined us. Head over to my Instagram account where I posted some more videos you can look at there of our experience and some of the things that we found. I will link that down in the description box below. Thumbs up, this video, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.